Welcome back to Teacher Singh videos, guys, where I bring you useful videos every now and then. So guys, in this video I will be quickly showing you how to change the country in your YouTube app in your Android or in your iOS. So basically, first of all, you need to open up your YouTube app and you need to tap on the top right corner on your profile picture, and then what you need to do is you need to go into the settings option right here, and then you can see a bunch of different settings. So what we are going to do is we are going to hit the general settings right here, and then we're going to scroll up and we are going to see this location option right here, and we are going to tap right here, and now you will be seeing all the listed countries in which YouTube is available, and you can select any of the country that you want to select and use it as your primary country. Like you can select any country, like I will just select for United States right here. So from now on, if I select United States, I will start seeing content of United States as well. So it takes some time to load, but this is how you change. If you just want to go back and bring it back to India, what you can do is again go back in that and select India as your, and now you successfully changed back to your primary country. So this is how you change your country in your YouTube app. I hope you really enjoyed this quick video, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for a lot more videos, guys, and I will be catching you in the very next one. Till then, take care.